Moreover, you shall make the tabernacle with 10 curtains of fine twin lining, and blue and purple and scarlet yarns. You shall make them with cherubims skillfully worked into them. The length of each curtain shall be 28 cubits, and the breadth of each curtain shall 4 cubits. All the curtains shall be the same size. 5 curtains shall be coupled to one another, and the other 5 curtains shall be coupled to one another. And you shall make loops of blue on the edge of the outermost curtain in the first set. Likewise, you shall make loops on the edge of the outermost curtain in the second set. 50 loops you shall make on one curtain, and 50 loops you shall make on the edge of the curtain that is in the second set. The loops shall be opposite one another, and you shall make 50 clasps of gold, and couple the curtains one to the other with the clasps, so that the tabernacle may be a single wall. You shall also make curtains of goat's hair for a tent over the tabernacle. 11 curtains shall you make. The length of each curtain shall be 30 cubits, and the breadth of each curtain 4 cubits. The 11 curtains shall be the same size. You shall make couple 5 curtains by themselves, and 6 curtains by themselves, and the 6 curtains you shall double over at the front of the tent. You shall make 50 loops on the edge of the curtain that is outermost in one set, and 50 loops on the edge of the curtain that is outermost in the second set. You shall make 50 clasps of bronze, and put the clasps into the loops, and couple the tents together that it may be a single wall. And the part that remains of the curtains of the tent, the half curtains that remain, shall hang over the back of the tabernacle. And the extra that remains in the length of the curtain, the cubit on the one side and the cubit on the other side, shall hang over the side of the tabernacle on this side and that side to cover it. And you shall make for the tent a covering of tanned ram skin and a covering of goat skin on top. You shall make upright frames for the tabernacle of acacia wood. 10 cubits shall be the length of a frame, and a cubit and a half the breadth of each frame. There shall be 10 tenons in each frame for 50 together. So shall you do for all the frames of the tabernacle. You shall make the frames for the tabernacle 20 frames for the south side, and 40 bases of silver you shall make under the 20 frames. 2 bases under one frame for each 2 tenons, and 2 bases under the next frame for each 2 tenons. And for the second side of the tabernacle, on the north side 20 frames, and there are 40 bases of silver, 2 bases under one frame and 2 bases under the next frame. And for the rear of the tabernacle westward, you shall make 6 frames, and you shall make 2 frames for corner of the tabernacle in the rear, and they shall be separate beneath but joined at the top. For the first ring, 2 shall it be with both of them. They shall form the 2 corners. And there shall be 8 frames with their bases of silver, 16 bases, 2 bases under one frame, and 2 bases under another frame. You shall make bars of acacia wood, 5 for the frames of the one side of the tabernacle, and the 5 bars for the frames of the other side of the tabernacle, and 5 bars for the frames of the side of the tabernacle at the rear westward. The middle bar halfway of the frame shall run from end to end. You shall overlay the frames with gold, and shall make their rings of gold for holders for the bar, and you shall overlay the bars with gold. Then you shall erect the tabernacle according to the plans for it that you were shown on the mountain, and you shall make a veil of blue and purple and scarlet yarn and fine twine line, and it shall be made with cherubim skillfully worked into it. And you shall hang it on 4 pillars of acacia overlaid with gold, with hook of gold on 4 bases of silver. And you shall hang the veil from the clouds, and bring the ark of the testimony in there within the veil. And the veil shall separate for you the holy place from the most holy. You shall put the mercy seat on the ark of testimony in the most holy place, and you shall set the table outside the veil, and the lampstand on the south side of the tabernacle opposite the table. And you shall put the table on the north side. You shall make a screen for the entrance of the tent of blue and purple and scarlet yarn and fine twine line embroidered within the work. And you shall make for the screen 5 pillars of acacia and overlay them with gold. Their look shall be of gold, and you shall cast 5 bases of bronze for them. God bless you.